Alright guys, remember in the last video I said I had just driven for 7 hours today. Let me show you what I got. What I got is over there on that trailer. And here's more of it, including an extra engine, which, ouch, does have compression. So that's a good thing. Gas tank, air box, I think that's what that is. Seat might need some a little bit of woodworking, but actually the vinyl's in pretty dang good shape. So there's that right here. It's a 1979 John Deere Trailfire 340 Snowmobile. The earliest registration it has, 89. Some people would say that's a good year. I guess I should be one of those people. I don't remember it, considering I was just born. One headlight. Ski is in a rough shape over here. Got a hole. That's okay. Anyways, the old John Deere, according to the speedometer, has 2,225 miles. Got the original snow flap. That's pretty cool. So the only issue with this, other than the fact it's in pieces, but that's okay, is that the motor's stuck. That is, I cannot budge it. So I'm going to try some experiments. You know, worst case scenario, I have that other engine. I'll just chuck her in here. But, you know, I got this from some friends who are into mudding tractors and stuff, and they really weren't into snowmobiles. So, for 50 bucks, shoot. So what I'm going to try here is to take the spark plugs out. And I saw some of this stuff in the garage here. Lucas toolbox buddy, it's called. Penetrates, lubricates, and dissolves rust. Low odor. Thing that I've fortified with anti-seize agents. So we'll see if that loosens this up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the plugs out and just give this a general, you know, a real healthy dose of this spray. Feels kind of weird playing with a snowmobile when it's 80 degrees out here and 100% humidity. I'm dying right now. Yeah. Oh, these were loose. Idiot. The guys I bought this from said that they had it unseized. There's no way those are the right plugs. Those are small. I'll have to get this. I gotta get the book on this. Yeah, they had it unseized, but they left the plugs out. Water got into it. You know. Yeah. Uh-oh. I don't know why there's a starter in here, or a battery. Doesn't appear to be a starter. Oh, that would be sick if there was. All right. Now that I got these out, let's just give these a nice healthy dose. You can see that's foaming up real nice in there. I've heard that 3-in-1 oil works really well. I don't have any of that. Oops, sorry. What am I saying sorry for? I should probably have a straw for this. And I'm going to put the plugs back in and just let this thing penetrate, you know. What more can you do? These are the wrong plugs, I can tell you that right now. That's alright. And what I'm also going to do is we got nuts and bolts here. I'm just going to plug that a little bit just to help keep some of the moisture out. Alright, I'll come back in a few days, let you know what happens.